Hello guys, welcome to the last class on our Python tutorials for beginners. In our next class, we'll be entering a more advanced or intermediate, anyhow you call it, intermediate section of the Python tutorial, no more beginners level, and we'll be taking on projects in our next class. But this will be rounding up our class on the Python tutorial for beginners. And here we have the converting data types, right? So converting data types, we can convert data types in many ways. We can convert from lists to tuples, strings to integers, blah blah blah. We can convert dictionary to list, dictionary to set, string to list, string to set. Anyhow you want to do it, do you get me? So now we're starting from conversion of an integer to a list and to a string, right? Now you cannot add a string and an integer together. Let's see. First number. Let our first number be 7, right? Let's confirm it's an integer. Let's confirm it's an integer first number, right? Now our second number 8, but then let's put it in a string form. Second number 8, put it in a string form. Now let's confirm if it's a string. Now it's a string. Now let's say sum. Sum is first number plus second number, right? First number plus second number. It should show you an error that it cannot add a string to an integer. Can you see? Unsupported operand types for the operation addition, integer and string. So what do? We have to convert a string to an integer. So let's convert this to this. So I'll say second number, converted second number is the integer of the second number. Now let's make sure it's now an integer. Let's make sure it's an integer. Can you see it's an integer now? Now you can now add sum will be equals to first number plus converted second number. And now let's call this sum 15. It's as easy as that. There's no two ways about it. And then now on the second hand, we'll be converting a list to a tuple or a list to a set. Now let's make a our list of numbers. Let's say 1 2 3 5 6 4 4 7 9 8 9. These are lists, right? Let's say type. Let's show is a list. Our list. Now let's convert it to a tuple. So now we say tuple. Our tuple is now the tuple form of our list. Now we'll call our tuple. Now let's call the type. Make sure it's a tuple. It's a tuple, right? We're converting it to a tuple. And now let's convert it to a set, right? Say our set should be equals to set of our tuple, set of our list. Now converting to a set signifies that it will show you an output of the unique values. It will not show you a double of each value in the, so it will show you 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in arranged form. That's what a set is. A set will show you only a unique value, not this double. Tuple and list will show you the double values. The tripled values show you anyhow. but set will just bring out the unique values. Let's now call our set. Show you what I'm saying now. Now let's confirm is a set. So the type is a set. It's as easy as that. And now let's check our dictionary. Our dictionary, right? Dictionary should consist of, I taught you dictionary in the other class. Name, probably a name. So what's my name? Fortune was my age. My age, I think should be 10. And my hair color should be black. Color, hair, black. Right? Now let's call our dictionary. Our dictionary showed you now. Let's say our dictionary values. Let's say our dictionary items. Let's call our dictionary items. Not items. Right, now let's say our dictionary values, our dictionary keys. Show our keys. Sorry about that. So these are the keys: name, age, and this. And now let's say our dictionary values. Alright, so you fortune 10 and that. I want to convert it to a list. Now in modern Python, I don't know why. Normally we are supposed to write this list when converting our dictionary, anything in our dictionary, maybe the values. We're supposed to write this list and to convert it to list, but now it will throw an error showing that list object is not callable. So the best thing to do now is to assign this list to a variable and then call the variable. That's just how it works now. So let's assign a list, an empty list, to a variable. Say my list. Let's just make it my list now. It's for me because I brought the idea. Now I've called this, right? I've called it. Now we'll now assign the list function into the variable. Say my list. Now if you call it like this, telling you that you are calling it as a function. And let's just make it a list and insert it inside. It should work now, hopefully. And let's see. List object still providing the same error. I'll fix that, but let me show you how to convert a string to a list. I may release another video for this. Now let's convert a string to a list. Let's say my name being Fortune Samuel. So we're converting it to a list or a set. Let's convert it to a set. Let's avoid this. So a set. So you should call my name to bring out. Now let's convert it to a set. New set. Set name. Let's say set of our name, which is a string. Let's first confirm if our name is a string type. Can you see now? So type name should return a string, yes. And let's set of name. Now let's call it new set name. Can you see? It has shown us and in alphabetical order, or how does it arrange it? Don't care. But then look at it, very simple. Now let's try converting to a list. Let's leave that. There's another way to do it. Let's say let's assume it's a list now. Then we want to look through the letters here. So we'll now call it a list. You get what I'm saying? So let's say my list. Let's assign my list name. Right now, this is what I want to do. Now I'm assigning it to my list. You get by looping through the list of names. So I taught you loops for key in. So we're applying. Can you see now we're applying many things for key in my dictionary, my date. Is that the name? Yes, my date dot values. So this is just what I want to copy. So should assign it this. Let's see. Value syntax. Is there any problem? Okay, sorry, key. We have to mention the key for key. key. Alright, yes, right. So key for key in this. Do you get what I'm saying? So now we are listing, we are looping through this. Say key for key in. Forget this key. This key is like is a syntax. Do you get? So the key is in the list of the values. Do you get? Now we assign it to the list, my new list. So now let's call my list. Let's call my list name. Should be a list now. Can you see now is a list? So now let's confirm. Is a list. So sensation is not callable. So the same thing we can loop through. Oh, sorry, we loop through this value. So now let's. Hey, sorry, this is my list dictionary name, dictionary values rather. My list dictionary values. Dictionary values. Let's call. Yes, it's a list. And now let's say my list dictionary name. My list dictionary name. Control X this. Let's call this. Oh, sorry. Copy, paste, run. So this is my list dictionary values. I'm sorry. List dictionary values. I'm renaming it because I want to do right. Now let's do my list names. So the same thing. Say key for key in values, key for key in name. Now my list name. Let's run my list name. Call this name. Sorry, making a lot of mistakes. Name. Yes, can you see fortune somewhere? And then let's type list name. So this is the end of the class and the end of the whole Python tutorial for beginners. So for my next class, we'll be entering the intermediate level for Python programming, and it will be very interesting. We'll be running a project. So now can you see we have coded. This is just how to become a programmer. Thank you, and stay tuned. Follow up, hit the notification button to receive notifications from me. Do everything to receive notification from me. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah, peace.